I pick up a broken comb, run it through my thin gray hair. Though I don't have any plans tonight, I'm not going anywhere. Well, I should have seen this coming.
You know what they say, adventure's first stop.
Oh yeah.
What is up? Welcome back to another video, DT Fishing. Today we're with Jaden, we're with Kellen. We're gonna be here fishing this little desert river. It is gorgeous today. It is a little windy, but we're looking to catch us some brook trout and some rainbow trout and potentially some cutthroats, I believe. We'll find out. It's gonna be an epic day. We're just gonna have some fun. What do you have to say, Kellen?
Let's go catch some toads, baby.
Let's go. Oh, hey, you caught one. Hold up, I'll come film you. Dude, a brookie. I got one too. Yeah, we're doubled up. Yeah, little brookie on the blue-winged olive dry.
So for now, I'll close my eyes and could get back against the wall.
That's cool.
Nice work, Kellen. Release.
Yeehaw. Atta baby.
Let's go.
First brook trout today. That was money.
I read that old man will see vision.
Nice. Let's go.
Young man will follow dreams, and I believe
Little brook
it
trout.
when I read
Yeehaw.
it. I see your face in everything, and now your honey jars are frozen, and in the window your books have burned, and there's too much room inside our
The baby brook trout on the fly. Let's go.
Though I'm blind, my dear, I see.
Look at the fish going. Oh, oh, what the?
Oh, it hit my foot.
Oh,
Oh, stop.
oh my gosh. Dude, you almost got it in your hand.
Sleep with you. Oh, oh, oh.
Got a big one. Oh, that's a big rainbow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's such a beautiful fish. Yes. Little brook trout on the salmon egg. I knew that would work.